Right. It's not. It's 30, 1080, 30. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mark this where I need my bolts, my pinch points, and then I'm going to put glue between the boards. Then I'm gonna screw and stay away from those marks for my bolts. This beam is like 12 foot long, so it's gonna stick out on that side and that side. We got our plans. Once we get it up there in place, we'll get you guys closer.
Yeah, but it's way over there.
Yeah.
All right, people. The show is going to begin about now.
Yeah. No. Or it's been going.
Is it? It's a little crooked. Does that matter?
It can. You can try and take your time to.
Oh, you're gonna big zigzag instead of two little zigzags. Okay.
I mean, they say this stuff is really good. Like, I grabbed the blue.
Well, you don't want to zigzag across the same line,
Oh, yeah.
because then you get double glue
See that?
and bananas pills and drippage and
Wait, banana peel drippage?
yeah, it's not.
Okay, pick up my board, help me squish it.
What do you mean? You gotta.
Set it straight down.
I can't set nothing straight. You do realize my age, right? But see, you're gonna start at one end and you're gonna square it as you go.
Huh?
Yep. Because it's the board bows.
What?
Yep. So before you push down, make sure you start at one end and work your way to the center as I'm trying to guide you here. Yeah, see, we want that square, so I'll move the boards back and forth until it's square.
I'm square right now.
Okay, hurry up.
Now,
You can clamp it and then drill it after it's dried. It's got a twist in it too.
we're just gonna drill it. Right now.
Well, then you need something to put it on, so you don't drill your concrete.
Now, let's test this drill. Are they still with us? Are we out of battery yet?
The battery. There's still a lot of big. Looks great. No, I hate cricket holes. I don't think your bit was long enough.
It went through.
Okay.
It went through, but
pull it out a bit.
I wasn't straight, people. I guarantee you.
Cricket holes are the worst.
Crooked holes are the worst.
The only way they work is if you.
Where's the level on my gun?
You got the number. Yeah, there's some of them that have bubbles on the end.
Where's the bubble on my gun? Just blow them through, people. Try and go straight. Yeah, it definitely is a metal bit. It's not working on cleaning itself at all. I don't care. Cleans when I pull it out. That's it.
That's what you have to do. Yes.
I don't pull out.
You gotta pull out to clean.
Yeah. Be like,
No, because I left it overnight and then
That's the
And then
drip.
set it
They're
over.
supposed to dry. They're really supposed to dry. I let mine dry for like 7 days. They gotta dry.
Well, I usually just stick it on to suck the moisture right out of it.
Now, guess what? My bolts aren't long enough.
You better have gotten right, Bolt. You studied this for months. Boy, yeah, that's a tight fit there. You know, if you buy lock nuts, you don't have to have lock washers, and it's cheaper.
They weren't there. This is the bottom of the scrap bin. No matter what you grab, it's all the same price per pound.
There's my wrench. Looking all over for my 13/16.
Hey guys, you remember that when I was pulling wrenches out of the back of the Chevy?
Net on that.
I was right in the middle of chit chatting with you, and you tried to turn off on me.
I needed that for on that
Now,
Jeep so
listen.
badly.
I was pulling the tools out of the back. Remember that? He's getting them back now. So
Been in there for how many years?
a lot of years they've been sitting in there. A lot of years those tools have been sitting in there. Give her some.
I did. It was starting to.
Was the baby gun?
It was starting to counter.
Full battery?
Countersink.
I'm okay with countersink.
Yeah, but the thin washers you got were.
They're okay with
They're
Bowen.
not countersinking.
They're not. They're Bowen.
It's not.
It ain't working out.
There is a high and low and a medium. DeWalt's good for that, huh? You're afraid somebody might hurt something?
This is 10,000 pound, 7 foot length. I'm literally just gonna throw this over the top, and it's gonna be my top eye bolt. At least I can move it now. You know what I gotta do now? Is put this on my shoulder and put it up there. What are we talking about now?
That thing hurts.
I used it to step up.
I just picked up a binder in there.
Those all came out of there.
Oh, that's where they went.
Talk to the yeah. Remember all those years you're like, God, I had like 4 binders and a bunch of chains. They got thrown into this a long time ago, and they
When
just
you were,
stayed.
I remember now you were chaining something down or hauling something.
I just used it to get people out. I'll just cut on this side because I didn't go to the corner. So if I had my square or whatever, I could just drop down a little bit and drop the new one. But
I got one of them too.
yeah, like I said, I was shopping there at your place. There's so much shiny stuff that I got
Sidetracked. No. Well, they make things for these to where they follow you.
Yeah, it's called a head.
Yeah, you strap it to your head.
POV cam, bro.
Don't you have one of them? Head.
Dude, my angle was way off.
Oh, that's funny right there. You didn't have your board straight up and down?
You don't need to know why it happened.
Well, if the angle's off, the cut in the bottom ain't gonna help.
Shut your mouth. It wasn't more than a 16th, but a real carpenter would be like, but I'm gonna send it.
No, they just add an extra nail. Yeah, leave that line. Which line did you start off?
Boy, I left that line.
You did. Which?
Like this. I could probably cut it again.
Well, just don't put the V on your line. Put the edge of the V on the line. Apply the purple, you just continue straight. It's leaving a line and then some. But we'll give it a whirl. Did your camera follow you? Thought you were gonna. I got some zip ties. We can zip tie this whole thing right to the top of your head.
I have a strap for it. I have a POV strap for it. But I'm crazy. You don't want to follow my eyes. You've seen too shit all the time.
Follow your eyes.
Yeah, but my head, my eyes. What? I'm crazy. Until I get up here, and then the head moves so slow.
Very slow.
The head moves so slow.
Did you take your pencil with you?
The pencil line is right where it's going to be. But I don't think the board was straight.
That was all up to you, man.
Tolerances are too tight. Basically, if I had cut at the line, if I had cut right at the line. They said, leave the line. Leave the line.
That's not. Leaving the lines up against
this.
We're gonna have. I have a table saw too.
Well, I know.
I have a zip too.
Yeah, I've seen that too.
It's a lot easier than that.
Oh yeah, especially when we're really doing this whole blade cut with.
Yeah. You should have grabbed it instead of that.
No, this is learning now.
Oh.
I'm learning how to use a
So
skill
you're gonna
saw.
build a house. All right.
You want to see how not to do things? That's the unprofessional way.
I'll show you.
I cut some off, and I didn't touch the top at all.
Okay, it's good to go then. It'll fit.
We should probably just trim the bottom.
So you don't think you took enough?
Right.
Because you got a good bow in it now. You got this divot going.
Mm-hmm. I just tried to get some off, and I didn't feel like I had enough, so I took some more. I was like, that's too much. I came out of it. I had a lot going on upstairs. Okay.
Now, are you going to leave the line or take the line?
I'm going to take this line.
Okay, just remember that.
Here we go.
Try it. See what happens. You ready? Well, you definitely took the line on one end and kind of almost left it on the other end. So you did this like this.
I tried to start
angle
biting
cut.
more. I didn't feel like I was biting enough, so I started biting more.
No, you were taking the line, and then you started curving.
Well, look, I left the line in the center though, so it's like I was like.
That's when you started curving. You went zzz, and when you curved, you pulled the front, so you left the rear hanging out. It was like one of them Brodies.
Good. That I do good. It's got the thickness of that blade at least now. Practice. This is the dummy board.
Okay, leave the line.
Gonna put an X on it so we don't hang it. That way when Dad shows up later and goes, "How come you got an X board up there?"
You got mixed up.
Yeah. Well, I don't see another one down here. Okay, I hung it. I didn't even care.
I didn't want to cut another one.
Yep, hung it. None of them worked on that side.
None of them.
None of them worked on the front side.
Okay, here goes that X.
I knew it had a purpose.
Well, that's why you put an X on it. This is the one. Then you put an X on it before it even happened.
But I knew it had a purpose.
This is the one.
The one. It's been marked. The angles are correct. It's like a puzzle. It don't fit. So
My back is hurting.
another day. I don't understand, but another day. It's ridiculous. It takes this long.
Doesn't it? Every time I start a project in my
We're gonna have to upload the snap version for you people, and then we'll upload the full vision.
15
spectrum.
minutes instead of 5 hours.
Right. Okay. Thanks, guys.
Just to hang a board.
Yeah, a board. Just hanging a board up there. That's all we're doing.
In conclusion, children. In conclusion, children.
All right, you
Anyway, I
fix
showed
that.
you how to do it.
Okay, yep. Not the way you were flattening
was I
the.
supposed to be
the-
watching?